Hi all, my name is Anil Nair. Many of the students who have watched my initiative regarding top 500 questions in geometry and number system might be waiting for the classes to start. After I released that video, I got a lot of students who asked me to come out with top 500 questions in algebra. So last 2 days, the entire team worked on creating another series that is on top 500 questions on algebra. That's exactly the reason we are running behind the schedule. But the good part is, we are going to start this week top 500 questions in geometry. That is tomorrow. Tomorrow we will have 6 hours class on geometry series. That is from 9 to 11. Please make a note of the timing. 9 to 11 and 11:30 to 1:30 and 2:30 to 4:30. 2:30 to 4:30. Tomorrow there will be a slight deviation. Instead of we covering something on a weekend, I will start with geometry. 6 hours of Anil Nair's way of solving geometry problems. The series will start tomorrow instead of 11th. I sincerely regret the inconvenience caused because of major planning that is happening in giving you the quality questions. 9 to 11, 11:30 to 1:30 and 2:30 to 4:30. I will see you tomorrow at morning 9 o'clock. Do not miss it out. Thank you very much. With love, Anil Nair. Once again, apologies to all the students who are waiting for my classes to happen. Thank you.